Good evening, you guys. I wanted to express why I feel that Seeking Alpha, as you guys can see here, is one of the most powerful free websites you can use, unless you want to go deeper into depth and pay a small monthly subscription or whatnot. I think this is such a powerful website to compare your ETFs. Okay, specifically for beginner investors. If you guys are struggling to find out which ETF you want to start investing in and you want to start making comparisons, Seeking Alpha is the website for you guys. I'm telling you right now, mind you guys, I'm not sponsored by Seeking Alpha. I just want to share this valuable content with you guys. Okay, so here, when you guys go on Seeking Alpha, the website may originally start out looking like this. What you want to do, you guys, you want to find this search bar here, and it'll say symbols, analysts, and keywords. Okay, so one of the main ETFs I like to use is going to be QQQ. Okay, again, this is just for beginner investors only. There are thousands of ETFs you guys can utilize to compare. Okay, so we'll type in QQQ, the NASDAQ, type in enter, and you see QQQ here. Okay, so starting off, you guys, when you want to utilize this simple small charting graph here, I want you guys just to pay attention to the rate of return. Okay, look at the positive rate of return. I'm not really looking at the graph too much here. You're going to have some up and downs with anything in the market, right? But you want to look at the performance. Are we showing a, a positive rate of return over the long haul? Okay, so let's click at the 10-year time frame. Okay, so the 10-year time frame, you can see a small ascending graph, right? But again, we're not looking at this. We're not looking at this too much. We could look at it a little bit. Don't get me wrong, but don't get so hooked on the graph too much. And the reason why is because we're not day traders. We just want to see a nice, okay, the graph is going up. It's ascending. This is great. What is my positive rate of return? So here, you guys, 592% positive rate of return. I like this. This is easy. This is free to use, right? So when we go to Seeking Alpha and we want to go deeper into depth in terms of what ETF we want to choose from, we can also make comparisons. Okay, so we'll go to charting here. I'll click back. I want to make sure I'm not going too fast for you guys. Let me go ahead and click this to the side. I will go to charting here, you guys. After charting, you guys, this is where things go deeper into depth in terms of what you guys want to research. So they have this little lock 10-year time frame here, and you may have to pay a little bit extra to go further into depth, but that's fine, you guys. We can stick to the 5-year time frame here. And then what we want to do is we're trying to figure out what ETF should we invest in? What ETFs can we compare, right? So we'll go here, you guys. We got our 5-year time frame, and we can select symbols here, okay? So we're gonna take off this default ETF here, and let's just go ahead and put in VU, okay? This is essentially mirrors the S&P 500. We'll put in VU, Vanguard ETF. We'll click update. As you guys can see here on this 5-year time frame, we're looking at the price return. This is the rate of return for a 5-year time frame, you guys. Look at that. So QQQ, 109%, VOO, 75%. Both have a strong positive rate of return. Now, you guys, if you want to go deeper into depth, when you go on to Seeking Alpha and you're making these comparisons, you want to be also able to have your dividends calculated into your performance as well. So what you guys can do here is select metrics, go to performance, unclick price return, because we want more than the price return. We want to see, well, what about our quarterly reinvested dividends? Because a lot of ETFs, you guys, what they do is they pay out dividends. Okay, so we'll go total return here, update. Now look at the numbers, you guys. We got 115% for QQQ and 88% for VOO. Okay, this is how we make our comparison, you guys. This is how we use resources such like Seeking Alpha. Okay, so if you guys found value in this content, feel free to like and subscribe. And you guys have a good day and be safe out there.